Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve some problems in chemical kinetics chapter. Already I have given these 7 sums in the chapters. Once again I am going to give 7 sums. Okay, this is somewhat new sums. Now let us see the first sum. Okay, see the first sum, simple one. The rate constant of the reaction A gives B is 0.6 into 10 power minus 3 mole per liter per second. Understood? If the concentration of A is 5 molarity, the concentration of B after 20 minutes. That's a question. Okay. So here, first of all, you should know what kind of reaction means. First order or zero order means here what? From the unit only we can able to identify. So what is this? What's the unit is given? The unit is what? Mole per liter per second. Okay. So mole per liter per second means it's called what? It's a zero order reaction, isn't it? It's a zero order reaction. Are you following? Okay. A gives B. See, A gives B. Suppose here, if the concentration of A is 5 molarity. Suppose initially it's a 5, 5 initial 5. Suppose X mole is reacted. I consider remaining concentration is what? When the time is 0, it is a 5 molarity. Okay. During the reaction, suppose I consider X mole is reacted. Okay. Then what's the remaining concentration means? 5 minus X. Okay. So here after 20 minutes, when the time is what? When the time is 20 minutes, it will be what? What's the remaining concentration? 5 minus X is the remaining concentration. Okay. Still not getting any B. Here, no, not getting any B. Here, this the X mole will be formed in the right hand side. It goes to right hand side, Understood? Right. So it's simply, amount of A left is equal to amount of B formed. That's a, reaction rule, that. Okay. So how much is reacted, that will be formed in right hand side, Okay. Right. So now we come to the question. Okay. Here, it's a zero order reaction. No, zero order reaction means just remember this one. So I'll give one formula. This is obtained during derivations. Okay. The concentration of substance during the time interval T is equal to what? Minus KT. Okay. Plus concentration or initial concentration. This is a formula. Understood? So concentration of substance during the time interval T is equal to K minus KT plus concentration or initial concentration. It just applied here. Here, concentration of A during the time interval T means what? We can put what? Instead of this, we can put 5 minus X. Understood? Okay. It is equal to minus KT. Understood? Here, initial concentration is we consider what? 5. Initial concentration we consider as 5. Understood? So plus 5. Understood? So here, now we can substitute the value, rate constant, K value can substitute, time is there, T value can substitute. Okay. After that, we get what? So here it will be, plus 5. Here also this will be cancelled. Now that this will be cancelled. Then here minus is there. This also will be cancelled. Minus. So if simply we can write what? The plus only. Therefore, simply we can say X is equal to what? KT. K is is given 0. K is 0.6 into 10 power minus 3. Understood? Right. Okay. Then T means time, okay. So if you now time should be made in seconds or 20. Time is 20 into it's made in seconds. So I put okay, right. So when you multiply all this, you can get what? The answer will be nearly equal to what? 0. When you multiply all this, we can get 0.72 molarity. So option C is the correct one. Understood? Are you following? So first of all, you should know what kind of reaction. This is a zero order reaction. From the unit only we can able to identify. It's a zero order reaction. Understood? So initially it's a 5 moles. Number of moles reacted, I consider X. Okay. Then after time 20 minutes, it will be 5 minus X. Okay. Then this is a formula. This only just remember this is the formula. Okay. Right. Understood? Okay. Next one. Okay. A first order reaction has a rate constant. So rate constant is given, no? The first order reaction, rate constant, K value is given. Okay, right. The time required for 40 gram of this reactant to reduce to 10 gram will be? Okay, so actually initially is 40 gram, understood? Is reduced to what? Now it becomes what? 10 gram. Okay, so what's the time taken? What's the time they're asking? Okay, so you know first order rate constant formula, you know the first order rate constant, I rearrange the formula, I write it here. T is equal to what? You know, T is equal to 2.303 by K log of, so initial concentration by, you know, initial concentration by remaining concentration. This is the formula, understood? Okay, time only they're asking, then I put time here. Then you can substitute as it is, simple one. You substitute as it is, you know, by K is what? 2. Okay, 2.303 into 10 power what? -3 is given. Okay, then log R naught is what? R naught is called initial concentration. Initial is what? 40. Understood? So initial concentration 40 is reduced to what? 10 gram. Now it's the remaining concentration. 40 becomes 10. Now you know that cancel this one. After that you can able to simplify very easily. So cancel this one. Log 4 outright 2 power 2. This outright 2.303 by, so this also you can able to cancel. No, why we should write once again. You can able to cancel this one. Okay, okay, right. So when it goes numerator, it becomes what? 10 power 3. 10 power 3 means now, you know, 1000. Okay, right. Then here I told you, know, this is outright log 2 power 2. This is outright, or we can write no 2 log 2. Log 2 is given, no, here you can substitute. So what? 1000 into 2 into 0.3010. Understood? So if we multiply all this, we can get, you know, 2000 into 0.3010, we get around what? 6.602 seconds. Understood? Right. The formula, just remember, you can use to answer all this. Understood? Right. Next one. Most of the sum I have given based on first order reaction. Okay, so first order reaction is very, very important. Generally I have given, if the rate constant for first order reaction is rate constant K is given, isn't it? Rate constant K is K. Okay. Time required for the completion of 99% of the reaction. Same sum nearly. Time required means you can follow the, so T is equal to what? Same formula, 2.303 by K, understood? Log of initial concentration by remaining concentration, understood? Right. So K is given, no, so you can put as it is. So 2.303 by K, understood? Okay, log of R naught. What's initial concentration? A percentage, you know. Now percentage means initially we can consider this what? Initially will be 100. Understood? Right. R means what? Remaining concentration. So R nothing but remaining concentration. So 100 minus 99, we can consider what? Are you following? R nothing but, you know, remaining concentration. So 100 minus, you know, 99. So what? So 1. Here we can get 1. You know that you have to write this one 10 power 2. Or we can write 2. Can you write this outright in other way? Other way 2.303 by K. Understood? Log this outright. Log 100 means log 10 power 2 or 2 log 10. Understood? Okay, students, here. So when you substitute all this, 10 100 no outright. 10 power 2. The 10 power 2 outright. 2 log 10. So log 10 means, you know, 1. So we can get the final answer to be what? 4.606 by K. So answer D is the correct one. Understood? Right. Next one. This is also based on, you know, first order reaction. So rate constant for first order reaction is, okay, rate constant K is given. Rate constant, you know. So as usual, we can write what? First order reaction. No, so what they're asking to find out T. So we can write like this. T is equal to what? 2. As usual, 2.303 by K log of, you know that, as usual, you know the formula, R naught by R. Understood? Right. K is given, no? Rate constant K is given, isn't it? Right. So it's just substitute. So 3 sums I have given continuously like this, because first order reaction is very important. Then only I have given like this. So 4.606, no? 4.606 into 10 power 10 power what? Minus 3. Understood? Right. Log of R naught is called initial concentration. 2.0 of the reactant to 0.2, isn't it? So initial concentration is considered as, initial is what? This is called initial concentration, that is 2 by 2 gram to 0.2 gram. Okay, so it becomes 0.2 gram. So we can put as it is here. Then you know that multiply both the side by 10 means what? It will be 20 by 2. Understood? 20 by 2 means log 10. So log 10 means 1, leave it. So here we can be able to cancel, no? This one. How many times? This is 2 times. Are you following? Okay. So here 10 power 3, no? 10 power 3, this is 1. Understood or not? Okay. I told you. This 1 by 10 power 3 minus 3 in denominator, no. When it goes numerator, it becomes what? It becomes, 10 power 3. So here by 2, no. So answer will be what? Nearly 500 seconds. So option C is the correct one. Okay. So cancellation sums only I have given. Okay. So try to understand, this is first order reaction based only. I have given more sums. Next one. For a reaction between A and B, the order with respect to A is 2, and order with respect to A is 2, then B is what? 3. The order is given. Okay. Concentration of both A and B are double. The rate will be increased by a factor of, okay, increase. How much increase they are asking? What's the rate they are asking? Okay, right. See, so immediately we should write one equation. Suppose here, outright the rate law, R is equal to what? R is equal to K into concentration of A. That constant A is given, no? The power, A power 2 is given. Okay, then B power what? B power 3 is given. Okay, then concentration of both A and B are double. Now it becomes 2 times. This also becomes 2 times. Understood? Now how it becomes? They are asking the rate how it becomes. Now if you replace, instead of A you put what? Instead of A you put what? 2A. Understood? Instead of B you put what? Double, no? Are you following? They ask double. Now it becomes what? Simple sum. That. No, this is what? 2A, 2A power 2, again 2B power 3. Understood? So here the number only comes out. What it becomes? When it comes out, it becomes what? 4, no? Are you following? Okay, it becomes, K, you can put as it is 4. When it comes out, 2 power 3, it becomes what? 2 power 3, 8. Remaining you can write as it is. Remaining A power 2 into B power 3. Understood? Are you following? Understood? Now it becomes what? So when it comes out, it becomes 4 into 8. It becomes 32, no? So now rate will be 32. That's the answer. Understood? Now rate will just understood. So now rate will be 32 times. C is the correct option. Next one. Simple one. Rate constant of reaction is rate constant. K is given. Yeah. Okay. Then order of reaction. Okay. So rate constant only is given, but they are asking to find out the order. Okay. So how to find it means from the unit only we can able to find out. From the unit of rate constant we can find out the order of the reaction. One formula is there. What's the formula? Mole 1 minus N liter 1 minus, or you can say what, N minus N per second. Okay, so you substitute. Suppose here when you get this value, this unit, okay, suppose if you put N is equal to 0 means then only we get this unit. N is equal to 0 means what? You get what? 0 means we get what? What's the unit? Mole. N is equal to 0 means what? We get what? Liter inverse. Here seconds you can write as it is. Okay. When N is equal to 0, then only we get this unit. Therefore 0 means what? It's a zero order reaction. Are you following? Understood? If you put N is equal to 0, then only you get this unit. Then only it's called zero order reaction. Understood? right? You just remember this formula. This formula is important to find out the unit of all the rate constant. Understood? Right. Next one. The rate of reaction between two reactant A and B decreased by a factor of 4 if the concentration of reactant B is double. The order of reaction with respect to B is what? Yeah. This is also similar to, I think, question number 5. Okay. But somewhat different one. There's a small changes, but not exactly. Okay. So rate of reaction between two reactant A and B decreased by a factor. Decreased by a factor means here the answer is given, rate value is given. The concentration of reactant B is double. The order of reaction with respect to B. Order we have to find out. Okay. So usually we should write in this type of sums. You should write you should frame two equations. What are the two equations means here? You know the two reactants is given. No, then only R is equal to K into concentration of A power. We don't know. Then only I put X. Then again B power what? Y. Understood? You can keep like this. Okay. Then this is a first equation we considered. Understood? Next one. Now see that rate of reaction between two reactants A and B decreased by a factor. Decreased by a factor means now the second equation you decrease by a factor of what? 4. So R by 4. Understood? Increase by a factor na 4R we can consider. Decrease by a factor na R by 4. Understood? Right. Which is equal to what? K. Then concentration of what? If the concentration of B is double, B only double. So A you can keep as it is. B only double. B only double. So B, concentration of B is double. No, B is doubled. Then only I put what? 2B. Are you following? Here considered Y. Equation number 2. Understood? You have to frame like this. After that, more or less, you can use to solve. Now you can divide. What happened? Divide equation number. Just understand. Divide. 1 by 2. So it becomes what? R by 4. R get cancelled. 4 goes to numerator. So 4 is equal to. And when you divide, what happened? K get cancelled. A power X get cancelled. Okay. Then remaining is what? This is what? This is this by this. This by this means B power Y will be cancelled. Here also B power Y will be cancelled. Remaining we have only 1 by 2 power Y. Are you following? Understood? Right. When you divide equation number 1 by equation number 2, we can get this one. 4 is equal to 1 by 2y. Understood? Okay. Next one. Then how to solve? 4 is equal to 1 by 2y, isn't it? Then this one how to write? 4 is equal to 1 by, or you can rearrange. Understood? You can rearrange, very simple. This is out here. Rearrange. Therefore, I'll write it here. Therefore, 2y. 2y is equal to what? 1 by 4. Understood? Right. This is outright 2y, 2 power y. 2 power y is equal to 1 by 2 power 2. Can you able to write like this? Understood? 2 power y is equal to 1 by 2 power 2. Suppose you know that when the base is same means, okay, just compare the power. No. This is, suppose if it like this means 2 power y is equal to 2 power 2 means, you know that. Correct or not? 2 power y is equal to 2 power 2 means y is equal to what? 2. Correct or not? In this case, if it like this means you can say y is equal to what? 2. Are you following? Understood? But it will be just quite opposite. Then only we can say here what? Y is equal to what? Y is equal to minus 2. Understood? Right? You know that. Okay? Minus 2. So answer is what? B is the correct one. Understood? So a very simple sum only they will give. So if you practice this kind of sum means you can able to answer any questions coming in the NEET examination. You can able to answer them very easily. Understood? Okay. Thank you, students.